those antigen which present in your body from birth. That antigen is not harm your body. So antigen which you acquired after birth, these antigen cause disease. So which antigen are present by birth, why they not cause disease? When immune system develop, then and after birth our antibody will form. When immune system develop, then which antigen is present by birth, that antibody will destroy, and these antibodies will also destroy. This is the top some things about antigen. What is antibody? Antibody is protein particles, protein molecules which have four chains, two heavy chains and two light chains. All these reactions occur in between these heavy chains and light chains. These two chains are heavy chains and these two chains are light chains. And when any foreign particle or antigen comes to our body, this antibody capture this foreign particle or antigen. How it catch? What is the binding site of antibody? Some people think that antibody bind here, but it is not true. Antibody not bind in between two heavy chains. Antibody binding site is present in between heavy chain and light chain here. So it is a very variable region of the antibody. Each antibody producing by each cells are different type of binding site. So they catch different types of antigen. And this region, this one region is only composed of heavy chain. This is not a variable region. It is constant region. So it called Fc portion. Fragment which is constant. So Fc portion is not can be changed. Only which portion is changed? That is antigen binding site portion. So it is about antibody, and we know antibody are mainly 5 types. Antibody are mainly 5 types.
Listen carefully.
Very easy to read it. Game. This is not only mnemonic. This is very helpful in our life. How? These are 5 antibody are many types of. Many types of antibody are present in our body, but major role or major category antibody are only 5 types. Game. IgG, IgA, IgM, IgE and IgD. It is very helpful. This shows the protein content, antibody content in our body. Which antibody is mostly present in our body? This is G. Less than G, antibody A is present. And M, it is less than antibody A, and E and antibody D is present in very low amount in our body. So first talk about antibody G. Antibody are also this, see here. This is structure of antibody. This is antigen binding site. It is highly variable. And antibody show some property like affinity
toward antigen
and valency avidity. These are the property of antibodies. You know antibodies are not always present in this form. This is the monomeric antibody. It means this antibody is alone, and it is mainly IgG.